Okay, hello and good morning to our Foundation English Madam, Madam Kavita. So, my name is Nik Putri Hazika. I'm from DMTM2. So, I will be talking about the two safety equipment that we have chosen for our group, and that is helmet and safety glove. So, for the name, okay. In the term of electrical performance, there are three classes for safety helmets, and that is class A, class B, and class C. So we are going to choose and present the class B safety helmets. So now I will be talking about the functions of the safety helmets. So safety helmets are one of the most frequently used forms of PPE. Safety helmets will protect the user's heads against, first, the impact of objects falling from above by resisting and deflecting blows to the head. Second one is hitting fixed dangerous objects at the workplace. And the third one, open flame, molten metal splash, electrical shock, high temperatures, and it's depending on the additional protective properties of the hard hat selected. For example, a basic standard safety helmet does not protect against an electrical shock. So the one we are choosing, Class B helmets, it is intended to reduce the force of impact of falling objects and to reduce the danger of contact with exposed high voltage electrical conductors. Sample shells are proof tested at 20,000 volts. So as we know, all employees working in the area where there is a possible danger of head injury from impact or falling or flying objects or from electrical shocks and burns shall be protected by protective helmets. Safety helmets must be worn when performing most construction works in the vicinity of lifting equipment, crane, hoists, and etc. And also, suspended loads, works in the forestry, works in cisterns, wells, shafts, tunnels, and the others. In these situations, the use of safety helmet will help protect against the injuries to the scalp, skull, and cervical vertebra.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sayyid Ashid and I'm from Group 2, and today I'm gonna tell you about an equipment which is included in the headgear of the crew workers working at a vessel, known as a helmet. So, a helmet is made up of hard plastic which serves as the purpose for the safety of the head. So, like when the crew workers are working at a vessel, there is so much unloading and loading and unloading both. So there is a threat, there is a risk that something can fall on their head, which can cause a big damage and perhaps casualty. So to prevent that, the crew workers wear a helmet, which I just told you about, that how it's made. And moreover to that, there is another thing that is attached to the helmet, which enhances the fitting of the helmet on the head, which is a strap. It's some kind of a small belt, you can say, that to tighten the helmet on their head. So if there is like a movement or if something falls unfortunately on their head, so by the first the helmet is covering the head, but it because of the strap or the belt, you can say, the helmet would not slip away from the head. So it is used to tighten the helmet on their head. Thank you so much.
Alright, so here is for the demonstration on how to use the safety helmet class B. So we don't have the real safety helmet, so we're using this beanie for replacement. But yeah, so firstly, we put the safety helmet upside down with the front peak facing away from you, like this. And then pull the suspension system out of the safety helmet to check and make sure that no webbing is wrapping around the headband. Ensure that the adjustable ratchet or tab is in the opposite direction of the front peak. And that is the back of the safety helmet. And then the third one is install the headband. Normally, there are 4 self-locking clips for fastening the headband to the assigned slot of safety helmets. Install them in the right way and ensure them are aligned in the center of your safety helmet. It will be center here. The headband will be center here. And then the fourth one, after everything is okay, wear it. Okay. Adjust the safety helmet to make it fit. For example, you can tighten the suspensions if you have a smaller size or loosen them if larger room is needed. Okay, if you always work above the ground or at the windy environments, then chin straps are needed to be fastened to the safety helmets to make sure that the helmet will not fall off. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Leon Xunze from class DMDM2, Group 2. The personal protective equipment that I introducing today is welding gloves. Welding gloves are made of natural leather such as goat skin, cow skin, and pig skin, and its function is used to protect our hand. Besides, welding glove has a high resistance to fire and heat, and is therefore often used in welding projects. Furthermore, most welding gloves design usually use a pair of peels to clamp the welding rod. This design can prevent burn from flying objects and effectively isolate spark. This advantage allowing the crew to more concentrate on the welding work. Moreover, welding gloves are also block radiation and have certain insulation properties.
Hello to Miss Kavita. I'm Edmund Hilary Joseph from class DMTM2. So today I'm gonna talk about one of the safety equipment that our group has choose, which is the safety glove. So the main function of the safety glove is to protect our hand from getting any scratch and burn, and also protect our hands from getting injuries during the working process. We use the safety glove during the welding process to protect our hand from getting burned from the spark produced during the welding process, and also we use the safety glove during tying the rope on the ship to prevent our hand from getting scratched. So this is the example of the safety glove. So how to use the safety glove? If you just need to wear it like this, and you are ready to work. Thank you.